Welcome to my video. Thanks for taking out the time. Are you future ready? Are you aware of the 4 skills which are required to make you successful in the near future? And friends, future is here. I'm talking about 5 years, 10 years from now, wherein automation, virtual reality, augmented intelligence, all of this artificial intelligence is going to make you redundant. I'm Monica. I'm a coach who helps corporates and individuals expand their self-awareness and thereby improve their performance. Let's quickly come to the 4 skills without wasting any more time. All of these 4 skills, my friends, require a lot of self-awareness. The first skill is creativity. The other 3 attributes of our soul other than creativity are love, intuition, and appreciation of beauty. And the 4th one is creativity. In order to be creative and successful, we have to be in touch with our soul. And a lot of self-awareness methodologies would be required for that. The second is socio-emotional intelligence, wherein all of the intelligence in terms of self-regulation, self-management, self-awareness again, our relationship management, and also aware of the context of the things around us, all of that kind of thing is required for this kind of skill. The third is critical thinking. If you look at the Oxford definition of critical thinking, it talks about being self-monitored. It's a kind of thinking which is self-directed, self-monitored, self-directed, and self-motivated. So in order to have critical thinking, you see that the word self is being used again and again. So for critical thinking, again, a lot of self-awareness is required. The 4th skill, let me quickly sum up the first 3 which I have done, is creativity, socio-emotional intelligence, third is critical thinking, and now I'm coming on the 4th one, which is complex reasoning. In order to reason out, in order to solve or find a solution for complex problems, what is required is simplicity within. You need to be sorted out inside in order to solve complex problems outside. And actually, let me tell you a secret. There is nothing complex. Everything is simplified. And whatever we are within, we reflect it outside. Now, in order to find out various ways of getting in touch with ourselves, I'll be doing other videos also. And stay in contact, stay in touch with me at kaushik.monica@gmail.com. You can please comment below on the video, subscribe to my videos, and if you want to really try out one skill per week and give me like a synopsis of your progress, you have any questions, you're more than welcome to get in touch with me. Great. Thank you. Till next time we meet. Bye.